Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study geometry effectively. We'll start by identifying the most crucial theorems and formulas, ensuring you can recall them quickly. Next, we'll focus on truly understanding the underlying concepts, which is far more beneficial than just memorizing. Finally, I'll guide you through practicing diverse problem types to build your confidence and speed. To master geometry, begin by reviewing fundamental definitions such as points, lines, and planes. Then, delve into the properties of essential shapes like triangles, quadrilaterals, and circles. It's vital to grasp concepts of similarity and congruence, along with various area and perimeter calculations. This foundational knowledge will serve as your bedrock for tackling more complex problems. Effective problem solving in geometry involves breaking down complex questions into smaller, manageable steps. Always draw clear diagrams. They are incredibly helpful for visualizing geometric relationships and identifying key information. Work through several example problems, paying close attention to the solution process. This practice will solidify your understanding and improve your ability to apply theorems correctly. For quick review, summarize all the main theorems and formulas onto a single sheet of paper. This creates a handy reference you can glance at any time. Then, challenge yourself with a few practice questions to test your recall and application skills. Remember, consistent effort yields the best results. Also, for those who love to learn and read on the go, check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.